This is going to be interesting to see. It's like a 2,000 litre tank. 10,000.
No, it's 2.5. So this is a 5,000.
Okay, and Matt's going to try to put in like a tap while the water's flowing. So this could work, or it could be real fun. Here we go. Sure, there's water in there. Oh. Oh, that wasn't too bad.
Well, it could have been worse.
Well done, Matt. It was
The first time I was like, whoa.
that was a bit easier than what we thought.